Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we're going to be discussing EB-5 visa opportunities from people from Africa. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your EB-5 case. Let's go. We start getting quite a lot of clients from Africa, Nigeria, South Africa, Egypt, Senegal, Cameroon, and other countries. We actually learned that you guys in Africa are smart, intelligent, and you have capital. Not that we didn't know about that before, not that we didn't know that you are smart and clever, no. But now we have the data, the actual proof of that. And of course, we as professionals, we like to see the proof. Show me the evidence. So we learned that there's quite a lot of capital in Africa, and you guys are looking for opportunities to invest that money and to get the best out of it. I'm a firm believer that the best investment you can make is the future of your children. You guys know I just got my second child, my daughter Stefania. I have a 3-year-old son, Seraphim, and just got another one, and I want 2 more. And I'm like you, I want the best for them. What I think daddy has already done, which is the best for my kids, well, daddy got them born in the US. If you take everything out of the picture, you know, I love my kids, I'm gonna give them the best education, the best opportunities and everything. The fact that they are born here, they have access to the best medicine, to the best education, to the best jobs, to the best connections and everything like that. I believe that you guys are just like me. I know you are accomplished. I know you achieved things. You have a lot of respect in Nigeria and in Senegal and Tanzania. If you guys didn't know, I climbed the mountain Kilimanjaro. I love Africa, I love Tanzania, I love Ethiopia. I've been to these countries, I've been to Egypt. I love Africa, I love the culture. And I love the mountain. It's a separate story, guys. Anybody climbed Kilimanjaro, drop the like and comment under this video. Let me know how it went. When did you do this? Was it hard and everything? I want to know, okay? Because it was pretty hard for me. I do believe that although you achieved and you have the status and you have the respect, and maybe it's hard for you to switch, to start anew, it's all about the kids. EB-5 program gives you the best opportunity for you and your family. The best opportunity to get green cards in exchange for a loan. Please pay attention. EB-5 program, if it's a passive investment, is actually a mid-term loan. Stanislav, what are you talking about? Yes, if you invest through regional center, and I know $800,000 is a lot of money for anyone. It's a lot of money. But it's not that you invest it and you get equity or shares or something in a project and you get the interest going towards you. No. You actually loan that money to the developer who's accredited by the United States government. So basically, this company filed a petition to the US government to get accreditation to be able to accept the money from you and use it to create the jobs in the States and build something, develop something. You give your money to them and they will give it back to you when you get your 10-year green card. On average, this time when you freeze your money with the project is 5 to 7 years. Yes, there is a backlog right now and you have to wait for up to 4 years for approval of your first green card. And please watch this video on EB-5 passive investment, the basic video where I go deep into criteria. So I don't want to spend my time explaining, okay, this criteria and that, and you gotta do this. No, I already spoke about it. This video is to explain how it actually works. Up to 4 years wait to get your approval, but 2023 or sometime in 2024, USCIS has to implement the expedited processing for these visas. We'll get 6 to 9 months of processing your petition. It's gonna happen. All right? So you cannot tell me, Stanislav, I'm not gonna wait for 4 years. Okay? 4 years and then maybe 5 to get all things done. No. All right, no problem, because we're gonna have expedited processing. So this is not an excuse. And this is not an excuse that I'm gonna give my money and I don't know what's gonna be happening. No, you're gonna get it back. It's refundable. All right? If everything goes well, and of course, risk is a part of this program. Any investment is a risk, and it's actually in the law. Your money has to be at risk. No one can guarantee you get it back. But if you work with regional centers that have a high reputation in the field, that has had a lot of cases with a good track record, with experience, and with proved cases of returned money, your risk of losing that is really, really small. Yes, it doesn't go away. It cannot. It must be by the law. But it becomes almost negligible. If you have a capital of $800,000, you're ready to freeze it 5-7 years. You're ready to get a small interest on it, maybe 0.5%, maybe 3%. Yes, inflation is gonna eat it, and the money that you're gonna get is gonna have less value. But remember what we talked about in the beginning. Your children, generations, hundreds years ahead, they all gonna be grateful to you because you used this opportunity. You invested that money not in the US economy, not in the US jobs. It's indirect. You invested it in your future, in the future of your kids. If such thing exists, super equal exchange. Actually, I think the balance is on your side from all respects. Now, yes, there is an active investment where you can establish your enterprise, have a business plan, and control and direct your investment yourself. You don't have to entrust it to anybody else. But you have to create 10 jobs within 2 years after approval of your petition to get the last green card, the permanent green card for 10 years. I think this endeavor, the active investment, has much more risk, a lot more risk. This is just my opinion. But the data tells that 90% of EB-5 investors go the passive investment, not the active one, right? But we have clients from both sides. You are the one to decide. Stanislav, everything is good. What else is needed to prove the case for EB-5? Only one thing. That is the origin of the investment funds. What is it? Well, show me how you made that money. Show me that you paid taxes on it. Show me that all the transfers, all the wires, all withdrawals, they match each other, and we can trace origin of where you earn it. Your salary, your dividends, your inheritance, selling of assets, your credit, your loan, the way it went through your system, through your finance, where it's right now, okay? We need to connect where the money is right now from where it came from, okay? Could be different sources. As long as we have that, all the paperwork, the math works, right? Very important. If you withdrew $100,000 from this bank with the cash and then 150 a period on another bank account, something doesn't match, okay? I see it all the time, all right? So where the other $50,000 came from, okay? Maybe something's fishy. So make sure that the math works. You have the taxes from the government of the country or the countries, because it could be coming from different streams of income. As long as that is good, how I find these regional centers, what's the next step? Well, your first step on immigration to the US is a free evaluation of your case. What that is? That is, you go down below this video, you find the link, free evaluation EB-5, okay, investment visa. You click on it. You get to the landing page. and you answer all the questions that I prepared for you. I'll look at them, and within 48 hours, I'll let you know if you have a good case or not. Do you have a qualification to participate in this program? If you do, I offer that we meet at the complex immigration planning, where with 2 phases, first you meet with a data manager, and then with me, we collect all comprehensive information from you. And I provide a written initial strategy for your EB-5 case. Don't miss this opportunity, do it right now. Don't postpone it. The generations ahead rely on you. Also, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, we're growing really fast, thanks to you guys, and subscribe to my TikTok, to my Facebook, to my Instagram. I post unique content on each of these platforms. I'm Stanislav Shamaev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.